Your Excellency, I'm deeply honoured to welcome you to Hilton Fiji Beach Resort and Spa to support one of Fiji's very important national priorities, which is the planting of 4 million trees over 4 years. At Hilton, our mission is to be the world's most hospitable company by positively impacting our guests, team members, owners, communities, and the environment. Travel with Purpose is Hilton's commitment to sustainable travel and tourism across our operations, our communities, and our supply chain. We are committed to doubling our investment in social impact and cutting our environmental footprint in half through the responsible hospitality across our chain by 2030. We seek to operate and grow sustainably, which includes helping our hotels drive improvements around how we manage energy, water, and waste. We are dedicated to preserving natural resources and contributing to a low carbon future, all towards a better world. Here in Fiji, we're making great progress towards our 2030 goals. Some of our most recent environmental initiatives include the installation of a 158 kilowatt PV solar farm on the roof of our large back-of-house facility. When Vision Energy Solutions commission this significant solar project in less than 2 weeks from now, we will generate enough power to supply all electricity requirements for the back-of-house facility during normal daylight hours and weather. Excess solar energy generated will feed into the rest of the resort, further reducing our carbon footprint and energy consumption. I'm very proud that Hilton and Doubletree Fiji employs more than 835 local team members, with nearly all leadership positions held by local team members. The whole team is committed to cutting our environmental footprint through responsible hospitality. Today, as a part of our 100th anniversary celebration and in support of Fiji's own environmental initiatives, we will plant 100 trees across various locations at the resort. In conclusion, and on behalf of the Hilton and Doubletree family in Fiji, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude and thanks to President, Your Excellency Major General Retired Jioji Konrote and First Lady Mrs. Konrote for visiting Hilton Fiji Beach Resort and Spa today, as you continue to champion Fiji's very important environmental initiative towards the planting of 4 million trees in 4 years. The Nakavaka level.
To the chairman of the Vision Group, Mr. Katri, sir. Namaste, Nisambol Naka. And it's so nice to see you again. To the area, I believe it's the Region General Manager, Hilton, Mr. David Wells, the senior management of Hilton, Hotel Nandi, our friends in the local area. First of all, on behalf of my wife, Sarat, and my team from the State House in Suva, thank you for the welcome. Thank you for the kind words. And on behalf of all of us, it's so nice to be back here. I think we're into that time of the year when people look forward to the festivities of Christmas and the New Year, and what a lovely day for us to come together as part of the community to take part in promoting the government initiative of planting about 1 million trees, 4 million trees in the next 4 years. I've been told before I came that we've surpassed the number of 1 million for this year, so that's good news. So I think what we're going to do today is we'll add on to next year's quota. So you'll be the first organization or the first team to do that. And it'll be remiss of me if I do not acknowledge and thank and congratulate Hilton Worldwide for your 100 years. come a long way. 100 years is a long time. And so, Secretary, I wish you well, David, and the team in the promotion of the Hilton brand. I bought my contribution to today's activities, and I bought about 10 Rotuman dwarf coconuts. And you can, David, you can decide where to plant them. But I see you got plaques to mark the trees. So I hope to come back in a couple of years' time to see if you continue to water the coconut. Congratulations and thank you for your support over the years, and I'd like to congratulate and thank David and the team for the very warm and accommodating manner in which my wife and I and my team are always received every time we come to Nandi. So Hilton Nandi is almost a second home for us. And for the staff, thank you for your hospitality and your friendship every time we come to spend the night here before we move on. And because we'll be here only for a very short period, I'd like to wish each and every one of you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, compliments of the season. So on that note, I'd like to once again thank you all, and let's plant some more trees. This time coconut trees. Nawalevu, Dhanyavad, and God bless you.